Hello guys, this is Boy TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. A very quick one. Please, you guys should manage to hear my voice. I went to a quiet place to make this video, but network was not good in that particular area, so I have to move to this place. So this is about Klink. For those of us mining Klink, Klink will be listening tomorrow. I'm making this video as of 5th October 2025. Klink will be listening tomorrow. All right, you can see this is home. So far so good. I've accumulated 405k subscriber. Oh, sorry, 405k points right here, while others accumulated 405k millions. All right. So but nevertheless, I want to pass this information that Klink is coming tomorrow. I got a notification earlier today. Let me swipe down and show you guys. Okay, this is it here. Yeah, this is the info here. I got the info earlier today. So Klink listening tomorrow 11 a.m. UTC on Binance, Gates and KuCoin. Don't blink, early hand win. So this is the info I got earlier today, about 4 hours ago or thereabout. So Klink list tomorrow, so 11 a.m. UTC. I think this should be American time or thereabout, so I don't know, but make your own research. So if you have KuCoin, get ready. If you have Get.io, get ready. If you have Binance, get ready as well. If you don't have any of these three wallets or exchanges, go and download them in Play Store and create an account. All right, so that is just it. So if you go to earn, I don't think there is any offer for now. Okay, there are a few offers. If you look right now, they have removed all the little offers, maybe like 0.3, 0.1 USD, 1 USD. Those offers which you can perform and earn some money for yourselves. Earn USD. All right, you earn USD, but earlier we earn USD by doing that, but now it's like you earn points and not USD anymore. So, but all I want to tell you guys is that Klink is coming tomorrow. So position yourself, get ready for what is coming. Go to my progress, make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I start post on something like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and gain from it. All right. Okay, you can see I haven't done any task here, so that's just it. All this, I accumulated this 405k from daily checking. All right, the normal 5k checking, which we all know. So that is it. So get your wallet ready. You can see my name showing up here, so Boy TV, right? So this is all I have to say for this particular video right now. So that is just it. So let's go to okay, that's all for now. So but when they list tomorrow, I think I'll be making a video on how to withdraw. All right, so it's important for you to like this video, share to friends, subscribe and stay tuned. And when they list tomorrow as well, I will still make a video on how to claim your own and how to swap it, because if you claim the token, you have to go and exchange it to USDT or swap or sell, whatever you hold, if you want to hold for future purpose. So that is just it. See you all in my next video. Peace.